Hi, welcome back to my final morning report chart appraisal on Tuesday, the 8th of December with me, Japan market analyst at Antec Markets. Let's look at gold and this sharp correction that we saw yesterday. Big retracement, really, of the strong move that we saw in the last couple of days on Thursday and Friday last week. Big strong move to the downside, actually. I mean, if you take it from Friday's high at 88.70, you've seen a correction of sort of $18-19, which is quite a strong move to the downside. So it sort of plays into the fact that I still think that this was a bit of a short covering rally, really, and it seems as though that the downside momentum sort of beginning to sort of build once again. I just think that this little rally has probably played out now. The RSI sort of failing at 50, turning over, and I just think that we could well have seen that move. So the market on the hourly chart, though, still suggests there's a bit of uncertainty in the move, because obviously we're trading above all the sort of hourly longer term moving averages. Momentum indicators have just sort of turned up again with the support that's come into place overnight. 67.25 being the reaction low. We've seen a bit of support, but again, it's just a bit of a drift support. It's not really anything significant in terms of the buying pressure coming back in, and I'll be interested to see if we start to build sort of a sequence of lower highs here on this hourly chart. You've now broken back below the 1080 pivot level, which is fairly decent actually, pivot level on this chart, 1080. So that now becomes your level of initial resistance. So it'll be interesting to see if we see another lower high below that resistance before sort of rolling over again. But I certainly think that the reaction that we saw yesterday suggests that there's a lack of confidence in sort of backing this rally to the upside. So that would suggest it's a bit of a short covering rally. Big resistance overhead, 1098, still intact. And I think that the chances are that factors that we're back below the sort of 1080, also the 1077 old kilo as well. You're back below that, so you're sort of back into this more negative sort of mindset again. So I think that that's why you're going to start to see another lower high formed on this hourly chart in the coming day or so. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. You need to watch out for I mean, you got the 1067.25, but then below that 1057.75 as your two supports on this chart. So good luck, and I will speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.